Hey guys, my name is Bash, and this is the accompanying demo for the podcast with Sprout AI on generative AI and ChatGPT. I wanted to share with you how we can create an API in Flask for a to-do list using ChatGPT. So I'll paste here the prompt that describes the task that we want to do, and our approach is to do it step by step. We want to introduce feature one first, then feature two, and so on. First feature is we wanted to have an input capability first where we can type in the task that we wanted to be added in our list. So ChatGPT creates different lines of code for us. The first one is code called app.py, which creates the Flask API for us. I'm going to copy this code, copy it in my text editor, app.py, then save it. Generated another code of an HTML file called index.html, which where we can input our tasks. So I'm going to copy this as well, then create that HTML file called index.file. I'm going to save it and properly type in the name index.html. I'm going to save this file. Then I'm going to open my terminal, go to my project page, and then run the app.py code. There you have it. It gives us a URL where we can see the web app that we just created. I'm going to paste it, and voila. Now you can see a text prompt where we can enter the task that we want to add. So for example, if I want to add feed the dog, I want to add feed the cat, then you see that those things are added accordingly. Now I wanted to add another feature. The next one is to add an edit capability to edit the list that we created. So I'm gonna add a prompt that does that. Gonna paste it in the prompt. Then it will update again the code base that we have. First, it will update the index HTML file. It basically adds like an edit button there. I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna paste it, and save the changes. I'm gonna go to the next piece of code, which is the app.py. I'll copy it and paste it accordingly. It also created a new file called edit.html that edits the pieces of task that we just added. So I'm gonna edit that as well. Paste it, file, save as edit.html, then save it. All right, then I'm gonna refresh, do a refresh of our web page and see how it updates. There you have it. Now, if I want to edit the feed the cat, for example, make it feed the rabbit, for example, then save it. And now you can see that it's edited accordingly. So it's simple as that. When you create clear and straightforward prompts created in an iterative manner. So just to close this, just remember when creating codes with ChatGPT, you need to have clear and specific questions. You need to specify the programming languages that you're using. So ChatGPT can code it according to your specifications, and you need to break down complex problems into small digestible bits. Don't forget that sometimes ChatGPT will spew out nonsense code. So you also need to have due diligence when dealing with the output of the code. And of course, you need to make sure that you understand what it's typing. We only use ChatGPT to create code to make our work faster, but not do the entire work for us. So make sure that you think about ethics when you're using these kinds of tools, because you're not sure how the data is being trained. So you need to ensure and safeguard the quality of the output that you're building with ChatGPT. But I hope this types of prompting helps you understand or gives you a stepping stone to create your future code with ChatGPT. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.